Give me a few minutes and I'll show you why to repot peppers, when to repot peppers, and at the end of the video, I'll give you a full demonstration on how to repot peppers. So let's get started. Why not put them outside? Well, the answer is obvious. It's too cold. There's not enough sun. If I want to plant the seeds in the ground, I'm going to be waiting a long time to get the fruit. Okay, so what about the container? Should I use a container this big? You can use a container this size. For me, I prefer to use a container at the beginning that's this size. And the reason why is I have limited space and I know that peppers grow really slowly. So I know if I put it in this container, it can stay in that container for a while and it can save me space. Eventually, I will repot it again into the larger container before transplanting it, but that is why I go with that. When the leaves are this size, I can tell that they're starting to get root bound. They need to get out of the container or they're going to start to struggle. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the pot and we're going to fill it with potting mix. Just to a level so that the pepper is not sitting too low in the container. So I've filled it up there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the pepper out of the container. I'm going to use this little device I have here, but you can also use a spoon. Okay, I'm putting the pepper in the container. I'm just going to hold it here carefully with my finger and thumb so it's centered in the middle of the container. And I'm just adding potting mix around it just to bring it up to the top level of the container here. So I'm going to add a little bit more around there. And it's that simple. We've repotted the pepper plant. Have you tried growing peppers before? And if you haven't, would you like to try? And if you have, how did they perform for you? I'd love to hear your answers in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you want more content like this, press subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you next time.